Welcome. Today, we're diving into the art of listening to your body, a skill that can transform your health, mood, and overall well-being. Many of us rush through life, ignoring the subtle signals our bodies send us every day. But what if you could tune in, understand, and respond to those signals before they become problems? In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you connect with your body, recognize its messages, and make choices that support your physical and emotional health. Let's start this journey toward greater self-awareness and inner balance together. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending signals about hunger, fatigue, stress, and even happiness. Ignoring these signals can lead to burnout, illness, or emotional struggles. By learning to recognize and respect what your body is telling you, you can prevent problems before they start and enhance your daily life. Think of your body as your lifelong companion, always working to keep you safe and balanced. When you listen, you build a stronger relationship with yourself and set the stage for lasting wellness. Let's look at some common signals your body sends. Hunger and thirst are obvious, but there are many more. Muscle tension, headaches, fatigue, butterflies in your stomach, or even a racing heart. These sensations can be your body's way of saying it needs rest, food, water, or emotional support. By paying attention to these cues, you can respond appropriately and avoid pushing yourself too hard. The more you notice, the easier it becomes to understand what your body truly needs. Your mind and body are deeply connected. Stressful thoughts can create physical symptoms like headaches or stomach aches, while physical discomfort can affect your mood. By acknowledging this connection, you can start to see how your emotions and physical sensations influence each other. This awareness is the first step toward listening to your body more effectively. When you notice a physical symptom, ask yourself if there's an emotional cause, and vice versa. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for tuning into your body. By bringing your attention to the present moment, you can notice subtle sensations and feelings that might otherwise go unnoticed. Try taking a few deep breaths, closing your eyes, and scanning your body from head to toe. What do you feel? Where is there tension or ease? Practicing this regularly helps you become more attuned to your body's needs and signals. Your breath is a direct link to your body's state. Shallow, rapid breathing can signal stress or anxiety, while slow, deep breaths often indicate relaxation. By paying attention to your breathing patterns, you can gain insight into your emotional and physical state. Next time you feel overwhelmed, pause and take a few slow breaths. Notice how your body responds. This simple practice can help you reset and listen more closely to what your body needs. A body scan is a simple exercise to help you tune in. Start by sitting or lying down comfortably. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your toes. Slowly move your focus up through your feet, legs, torso, arms, and head, noticing any sensations along the way. Are there areas of tension, warmth, or discomfort? This practice helps you become more aware of how your body feels in the moment, making it easier to respond to its needs. Listening to your body includes understanding hunger and fullness cues. Instead of eating by the clock or out of habit, pause and ask yourself how hungry you really are. Notice the difference between true physical hunger and emotional cravings. Similarly, pay attention to feelings of fullness and satisfaction. Eating mindfully helps you nourish your body without overeating or ignoring its needs. Dehydration can sneak up on you, especially if you're busy or distracted. Your body often signals thirst with a dry mouth, headache, or fatigue. Make it a habit to check in with yourself throughout the day. Are you thirsty? Does your body feel sluggish? Drinking water regularly supports every system in your body and helps you stay alert and energized. Fatigue is your body's way of asking for rest. Instead of pushing through exhaustion, pause and consider what your body needs. Are you getting enough sleep? Is your mind overloaded? Sometimes a short break or a quick nap can make a big difference. By honoring your body's need for rest, you'll have more energy and resilience in the long run. Pain is one of the body's most direct signals. Whether it's a headache, sore muscles, or stomach discomfort, pain is your body's way of telling you something needs attention. Instead of ignoring or masking pain, try to understand its source. Is it physical strain, stress, or something else? Addressing pain early can prevent bigger issues down the road. Emotions often show up as physical sensations. Anxiety might feel like a tight chest, while joy can bring lightness or warmth. By noticing these sensations, you can better understand your emotional state and respond with self-care. When you feel a strong emotion, pause and ask yourself where you feel it in your body. This practice deepens your emotional intelligence and helps you process feelings in a healthy way. Your body needs both movement and rest. Notice when you feel restless or stiff, these are signs it's time to move. On the other hand, if you're feeling drained, your body may be asking for stillness. Balancing activity and rest is key to maintaining energy and preventing injury. Listen to what your body is asking for in each moment. Have you ever had a gut feeling about something? Your digestive system is closely linked to your emotions and intuition. Butterflies, nausea, or a sinking feeling can all be signs your body is reacting to a situation. Trusting your gut can help you make decisions that align with your true needs and values. Rest is essential for healing and renewal. Your body repairs itself during sleep and downtime. If you notice signs of fatigue, irritability, or brain fog, it may be time to slow down. Prioritizing rest isn't lazy. It's a vital part of listening to your body and maintaining long-term health. Sometimes, your body knows the answer before your mind does. When faced with a decision, notice how your body reacts. Do you feel tense, relaxed, excited, or uneasy? These physical cues can guide you toward choices that are right for you. Trusting your body's wisdom can lead to more authentic and satisfying outcomes. Keeping a journal of your body's signals can help you spot patterns and triggers. Write down what you notice each day when you feel energized, tired, hungry, or stressed. Over time, you'll gain insight into how your habits and environment affect your well-being. This self-reflection supports better choices and deeper self-understanding. Listening to your body also means respecting its limits. If you feel overwhelmed or exhausted, it's okay to say no or ask for help. Setting boundaries protects your energy and prevents burnout. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary for your health and happiness. Regular movement keeps your body healthy and helps you stay connected to how you feel. Whether it's walking, stretching, dancing, or yoga, find activities that you enjoy. Notice how your body responds before, during, and after movement. This awareness can help you choose the right type and amount of activity for your needs. Stretching helps release tension and increases flexibility. Pay attention to areas that feel tight or sore and gently stretch them. This not only improves your physical health, but also helps you tune into your body's needs. Regular stretching can become a mindful ritual that supports both body and mind. Quality sleep is crucial for listening to your body. Notice how you feel after a good night's rest versus a restless one. Your body repairs and recharges during sleep, so make it a priority. If you're struggling with sleep, pay attention to your routines and environment. Small changes can make a big difference. Staying hydrated is a simple way to care for your body. Notice how your energy, focus, and mood change when you drink enough water. Carry a water bottle with you and make hydration a regular habit. Your body will thank you with better performance and overall well-being. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Some meals may energize you, while others leave you sluggish. Notice any digestive discomfort, bloating, or mood changes after eating. This feedback helps you make food choices that support your unique needs and well-being. Stress often shows up in the body before we notice it in our minds. Tight shoulders, clenched jaws, or headaches can all be signs of stress. By recognizing these signals early, you can take steps to relax and manage stress before it builds up. Simple practices like deep breathing or a short walk can help release tension. Pleasure is just as important as pain when listening to your body. Notice what feels good, whether it's a warm shower, a delicious meal, or a hug from a friend. Savoring positive sensations helps you build a stronger connection with your body and brings more joy into your life. Your posture and body language can reveal a lot about how you're feeling. Slouching might signal tiredness or low mood, while standing tall can boost confidence. Pay attention to how you hold yourself throughout the day. Adjusting your posture can improve both your mood and your physical comfort. Make it a habit to check in with your body several times a day. Pause, take a breath, and ask yourself, how do I feel right now? What does my body need? These regular check-ins help you stay connected and responsive to your body's changing needs throughout the day. It's easy to judge or criticize your body's signals, but try to listen with curiosity and compassion instead. Every sensation is information, not a problem to fix. By accepting your body's messages without judgment, you create a safe space for healing and growth. Discomfort isn't always a bad thing. It can be a valuable teacher. When you feel uneasy or in pain, ask yourself what your body is trying to tell you. Maybe you need to change your posture, take a break, or address an emotional need. Learning from discomfort helps you make positive changes. Every step you take toward listening to your body is worth celebrating. Notice the small wins, like choosing rest when you're tired, or eating when you're truly hungry. Acknowledge your efforts and be proud of your progress. This positive reinforcement encourages you to keep going. Sometimes, your body signals may be confusing or persistent. If you're unsure what your body is telling you, or if you experience ongoing pain or discomfort, don't hesitate to seek help from a healthcare professional. Listening to your body includes knowing when to ask for support, Surround yourself with people who respect your boundaries and support your well-being. Share your journey of listening to your body with friends or family. Having a support system makes it easier to honor your needs and stay motivated. Be gentle with yourself as you learn to listen to your body. There's no perfect way to do this, and it's normal to miss signals sometimes. Treat yourself with kindness and patience, just as you would a friend. Self-compassion makes the process more enjoyable and sustainable. Your body's needs can change over time due to age, lifestyle, or circumstances. Stay flexible and open to adjusting your routines as needed. What worked in the past may not work now, and that's okay. Listening to your body means honoring its current needs. You don't have to get it right all the time. Let go of the idea that you must listen to your body perfectly. Progress is more important than perfection. Celebrate your efforts and keep learning along the way. Integrate body awareness into your daily routines. Whether you're working, exercising, or relaxing, pause to check in with your body. Small moments of awareness add up and help you make healthier choices throughout the day. Technology can distract us from our bodies. Set boundaries with screens and take regular breaks to stretch, breathe, and check in with yourself. Mindful tech use helps you stay connected to your body, even in a digital world. Spending time in nature can deepen your connection with your body. Fresh air, natural light, and movement outdoors all support physical and mental health. Notice how your body feels in different environments and seek out spaces that help you feel your best. Take a moment to appreciate all that your body does for you. From breathing and moving to feeling and healing, your body is truly remarkable. Practicing gratitude can shift your perspective and strengthen your relationship with yourself. When you're unwell, your body's signals become even more important. Rest, hydration, and gentle care are essential. Pay attention to what helps you feel better and what makes symptoms worse. Listening to your body during illness supports recovery and resilience. Your body's signals can also guide you in relationships. Notice how you feel around different people. Do you feel relaxed, tense, energized, or drained? These cues can help you set boundaries and choose relationships that support your well-being. Creativity often flows when you're in tune with your body. Notice when you feel most inspired or energized, and create space for those moments. Movement, rest, and self-care all support your creative process and help you express yourself more fully. Personal growth is rooted in self-awareness, including awareness of your body. As you learn to listen and respond to your body's needs, you'll find yourself growing in confidence, resilience, and self-trust. This journey is ongoing and unique to you. To listen to your body better, practice mindfulness, notice physical and emotional signals, and respond with compassion. Check in regularly, adapt to changes, and seek support when needed. Remember, your body is your lifelong partner. Treat it with care and respect. The more you listen, the more you'll thrive. As you move forward, remember that listening to your body is a lifelong journey. There will be ups and downs, but every effort counts. Stay curious, compassionate, and open to learning. Your body has wisdom to share. Keep listening, and you'll discover a deeper sense of well-being and self-trust.